Okay, today we have a full Transit Connect 2014 for our water leak procedure. So just going to show you what we've found so far. So focusing on the driver's door membrane to begin with. So we've got the lever bars down the back of the window just to, obviously so the water can get through. So if we put a bit of water on the back of the window, so we can see that it's emptying out through the bottom of the door. But if I just put a bit more water down now, and we go close up, we can see that the water is passing through the door membrane on the driver's side. So it's coming out between the metal and the door card, as we can see here. And then what that would then do is it would build up on this rubber, and then once it then obviously works its way, it will work its way downwards into the driver's footwell. Okay, now we have this little drain from the air conditioning. We do know that they do leak on previous models, so we have tested this. So far we haven't got any leaks coming through it, so that's a good sign, but obviously just to put that one in the video because it is a common little place. And now what we're going to do is, if we quickly go to the back of the van, I'm just going to turn our water on, just so obviously so it's like it's driving in the rain. So if we come to the back, we've got a hose up in the back there. There we go. So we've got the hose up the back there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our little camera on. And what we've got is we've got a flexi camera, and what it is it's going down in this box section behind here, which should reveal your rear air vent. Okay, so I just need to try and get that on the air vents a second. Right, okay, so we can see the rear air vent there. And we can see that the water is passing through the vent. There we go, so we can see it trickling in at the bottom of the vent there. So the shiny marks, if I can get that just down a little bit more. There we go. So we can see that it's passing through the vent and filling up the box section, and that is actually doing it on both sides. So then what that would then do is it would fill up that box section in there, and then it would then slowly work its way down to the front of the van. I'm just trying to get my camera on there a little bit more. There we go. So there we go, so we can see it all running down there. Okay, so then what that's then doing is both of them are leaking either side. So then that would then eventually make its way down to the front of the van and fill up the footwells. And so that's all we've found so far.